How to lock Instagram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock Instagram on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your phone settings. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And in the app section, you can see the option labeled app lock at the bottom. So simply tap on that. Now you will be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprint or pattern. So simply solve that, and once you are inside there, simply scroll through the list of apps and locate Instagram. And once you have located the Instagram, simply enable the lock option for Instagram. And now if you go back to your home screen and open the Instagram, you will now need to enter your fingerprint or pattern to unlock it. And that's it. That's how you can lock your Instagram on your Android device. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.